equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the control panel on your Thermomix TM31. This task requires some basic tools and a bit of patience, but with our step-by-step instructions, you'll be able to do it yourself. *** tools required ***. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Soft cloth for cleaning. 4. Tweezers, optional. 5. Replacement control panel. Step 1. Preparation ***. Before you begin, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Lay the appliance on a flat surface and gather all your tools. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have it serviced without any hassle. Step 2. Removing the old control panel ***. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off. Be careful not to force it, as this could damage the appliance. Now, locate the control panel. It is usually secured with a few more screws. Remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Step 3. Disconnecting the control panel ***. With the screws removed, you can now disconnect the control panel from the main unit. Carefully unplug the connector, ensuring you do not damage any wires. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. Step 4. Cleaning the interior ***. Before installing the new control panel, take a moment to clean the interior of your Thermomix. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help maintain the appliance's performance. Step 5. Installing the new control panel ***. Now, take your new control panel and connect it to the main unit. Ensure the connector is securely plugged in. Once connected, align the control panel with the screw holes and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Step 6. Reassembling the Thermomix ***. After the new control panel is in place, reattach the back cover of the Thermomix. Secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Step 7. Testing the appliance ***. Plug your Thermomix back in and turn it on. Test the new control panel to ensure it is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Final thoughts ***. Replacing the control panel on your Thermomix TM31 can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it's a manageable task. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.